Hello, Miss Shannon. So, today I'm going to show you how to do this super cool math problem about sandwiches. So let's get into it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our handy dandy calculator, and first thing it wants to know, predict the calories of the grilled cheeseburger that has 79 grams of fat and predict the fat grams of 800 calorie sandwich. So, first thing we're gonna do, this is our X's and this is our Y's. So we're gonna go to Stat, Edit, and we've got all these places where we can put our points in. So, in L1, I'm gonna put 9, 13, 21, 30, 31, 31, 34, 25, 28, 20, and 5. And then in our L2, we're going to put the Y's, so the calories. So 260, 320, 420, 530, 560, 550, 590, 500, 560, 440, and 300. And then we're gonna hit 5, and whoa, looky there. Make sure your make sure your plot is turned on. This guy, he's got to be highlighted. Okay, so graph, we've got all our points, but there's no line. What are we going to do? Well, my friend, don't you fret. First, we're gonna hit Stat, and then go over to Calc, and we're gonna pick which one we think it looks like. So I think it looks just like a regular line, so we're gonna do that and go down to Calculate and hit Enter twice because that's what Miss Shannon said to do. And then we'll hit second Enter, and we'll put our little comma, vars, y vars, that guy, Enter, 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 and graph. And now we have this little line going through our points. And I didn't have to adjust my window, but I do know how to do that if I need to. Okay, so now it wants us to predict the calories of the grilled cheeseburger that has 79 grams of fat. So our fat is our X plus. So we're trying to find Y. So we're gonna go over second table and make sure it's on Ask, and we're gonna put in 79 for our X, and that gives us 1,120. So yeah, that's our calories. And then predict the fat grams of the 800 calorie sandwich. So that one is the Y. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit Y equals, this is the equation, by the way, if you need to find the equation. It's right here. But we're gonna go to Y2, and we're gonna type in 800. And so they intersect right there. So now the intersection is going to be our answer. So we're going to go to second Calc and go down to Intersect, and we're going to put it on the first curve. And then the second curve. And then we're just going to guess. So I think it's like right there. And our intersection is 51.669367. Yup. So that's the amount of fat in the 800 calorie sandwich. I think that's all I have to do, right? That's the whole question. So, yep. Well, it has been fun. Yeah. Okay, bye.